guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have for you a haul video. It's just some bits that I picked up in LA, and to be honest, like, I didn't pick up as much as I thought I did. I usually go out there and spend quite a lot of money, but obviously we have like the wedding coming up, so we kind of pretty much didn't buy as much as usual. But yeah, I'll show you guys what I bought anyways. Let's start off with good old Brandy Melville. If I literally could wear one brand for the rest of my life, it probably would be Brandy Melville because it's so comfortable. So yeah, I picked up this plain black ribbed vest top. Last minute got invited to the premiere of The Joker, and I was just gonna wear like a plain all black outfit, and I didn't bring like a black top with me, so yeah, I had to go and get this. I ended up wearing it a lot of the time I was in LA anyways, because I didn't want to go out and buy like a special top just for the premiere. I just wanted to get like a plain basic that I could just wear all over again. And the next top that I got from Brandy Melville was this one. It's a really cute graphic West Coast one, oversized, and I just wanted to wear it with cycling shorts, which I also picked up as well. I'll show you guys in a second. But yeah, I just really love the print on this. Long sleeve, oversized, can't go wrong. And then these were cycling shorts that I got to match the top, and it actually says Los Angeles, California on it. Super comfortable, super cute. I wore this with a lot of my oversized tees that I bought over there as well, and yeah, it's just like a fail-safe outfit to wear in LA. Those were what I picked up in Brandy Melville. Next we have two pieces from Revolve. I picked up this really cute polka dot corset top with the feathers on top. I just thought it was really adorable. Like, how beautiful is this? But funny story, I couldn't zip up the back because I ate way too much when I was in LA, and I put on a teeny bit of weight, and yeah, the back just would not zip up. So I took a photo in it, but I haven't worn it properly yet. But I got it in size extra small, and I probably should have gone for a small. Also got these really cool sweatpants with kind of like diamante flames on the side. I just thought they were really cool. I wore these, I think, back home. I think they're a really cool pair of like sweatpants that you can just wear around, and the diamante flames kind of add like a really cool touch. And then from my favourite store ever in LA, it's called Aritzia, and they have it in New York as well. But yeah, I pretty much trek all the way to Westfield Century City to go to their store, and it's a huge store. I spend like probably at least 45 minutes to an hour in there because it's just so much stuff. I usually go in there to get a lot of my basics, and yeah, I mean, it never fails me. I always leave with something. This time I left with 4 things. One of them is actually in a wash, but it's not Aritzia brand. It's a denim brand called A Gold, and they just make really cool denim, and I just bought a pair of like black high-waisted skinny jeans, but I can't show you that right now because they are in the wash. I've worn them to death. I can show you the other pieces that I got, and again, I don't think I've even washed this top yet because I've worn it so much. It's just a simple ribbed white tee, but the fit of it I really like. I ended up going for a large. I think it is meant to be a little bit fitted, but yeah, it's by one of their brands called TNA, and they usually make, I think, like gym wear or sportswear, but like really nice basics. I've gotten cycling shorts from there before. Really comfortable. So yeah, I absolutely love this, and I think the quality is really good for the price. I also got this really nice sage color cropped hoodie. I got this in a size small, and oh yeah, it's by TNA again. And the last piece I have to show you guys from there, you guys know how much I love tie-dye, and then I saw this and I was like, yep, definitely gotta have it. And it's so thick and it's so cozy. keeps me so warm, and I'm just like, this is one of the best purchases I think I've got. This is by Wilfred, which is one of their brands, and I got it in a size M, and you can see inside it's like really fleecy. I've worn this already with like a pair of leggings, white socks, thick chunky trainers, and also my like long camel coat. That is a vibe. Like, that is what I am dressing as at the moment. Super comfy, really chic, and pretty minimal. Next up are a pair of basic black heels. Like I said, I went to the premiere of the Joker really last minute, and I didn't bring any heels with me, and yeah, you had to wear like smart casuals, so I went out to Zara and I got these, and these are literally so beautiful, guys. Like, the perfect like point for me, the perfect height as well, thick heel, oh, literally perfect. I think they were like $40, I want to say. Like, I didn't want to spend a lot of money on a pair of heels when I already have some at home. The other ones in Zara were like $80, $90, and then I was literally about to give up and then walking out the door, I saw these in the corner of my eyes, and I was like, yeah, these are it. Super comfy, wore them, and I wore them a few times in LA anyways when I went out for dinner. But yeah, really comfortable, chic, elegant lady heels, and they fit super well. So if I find them on the website for you guys, I will link them for you. And then from the Fairfax flea market that is open every Sunday, we popped by really quickly, and I found myself this really cool vintage tee, and it's super oversized, which I absolutely love. I just wore it with my leggings and like my high boots, and it was one of my favorite outfits that I wore out there, and super comfy. This is in 3XL actually, and it was like $27, which is a bargain, and it's one of my favorite vintage tees I think that I've ever picked up. Then the next top that I got is from Urban Outfitters, and they usually have a really cool range of graphic tees that are slightly vintage looking. So I picked up a Rolling Stones one, and I got it in a size large, as that was the biggest one that they had in stock. And then it just has a really cool graphic print on the back as well. Last piece of clothing I'm going to be showing you guys are a pair of Levi's. I received a lot of messages when I posted these, and these are the ribcage straight, and I sized up in the ribcage. I'm usually a 26, but I find that a 27 fits better in the ribcage style. I got the light blue wash, and probably one of the comfiest pair of jeans that I own. I already have a pair of the ribcage jeans, but they do have like rhinestones all over them, and I just wanted like a plain pair, so I picked these ones up, and I definitely am going to get my hands on the black pair as well to complete the collection. Next item I'm going to be showing you guys is a homeware item. I went to one of my favorite stores in LA as well, called Kitross. They just have a really cool selection of gifts and homeware bits, and if I could, I would have bought pretty much half of the shop, but because obviously we have restrictions on how much we can bring back regarding the weight, and I was not gonna pay for another suitcase, I just went and bought myself some coasters. These are the Jonathan Adler coasters, and I'm a huge fan of Jonathan Adler. I think Jonathan Adler has some really cool homeware stuff. I don't know, you guys may not be into this, you guys may, but I got the Druggist one. They have like a bunch of different coasters, and they also have like the big plates or big trays that you can put on your coffee table, bedside table, but I just went with these coasters because the ones that we currently have at the moment are a little bit worn down, so I thought that I would swap them. Settle for porcelain coasters, and yes, they are a little bit expensive. They were $78, but I mean, it's Jonathan Adler, you're going to be paying a little bit, but they are literally probably the coolest coasters I have ever come across. So let me just take them out of their packaging and show you guys. So these are the coasters. So the first one, okay, it didn't break. It's fine, it's fine, it's fine. Oh my god, my heart. If I broke that, I would have cried because I haven't even used these yet. Let me just hold them like this. So the first one says shrooms, because, you know. Then the second one is weed, and it is so beautiful. And we have, I don't even know how to pronounce this one, peyote. And then we have good old, wait, why is it? Oh, okay, I get it. It's LSD, but it's backward. So I was like, why does it look really odd? But yeah, I have my druggy coasters, and I just think they are so beautiful, and they just add like a really cool touch to the home. So yeah, I can now use them because I was saving them in their box until I show you guys. But now I can use them. The last bit of this haul is just a few bits that I picked up from Sephora, and this time I have been really good. I literally went and got 3 things. First being the Supergoop Shimmer Shade SPF 30. So this is sunscreen for your eyelids, and I am really big on SPF. Shade is in Golden Hour, and it's just a really nice like light gold tone. This is what it looks like in the sun, and I will even swatch it for you guys. Really nice, beautiful, bright shade to wear. I mean, it doesn't even show up really on the camera, but it has like a golden, like a pink champagne, oh god, a pink champagne tint to it, which is really nice, and it's really nice to wear either on its own, especially when you are doing like a no makeup look, or if you're not even wearing anything else, just put SPF on and then this on your lids, and you will just look pretty fresh. Next we have the Pat McGrath foundation, which, yes, it is pricey, and it is, yeah, it's pricey, but it is amazing, and it's actually what I am wearing today and what I have been wearing a lot of since I got it. This was like nearly $70, and yes, it's a lot. But I mean, Pat McGrath, I'm a huge fan, and I have quite a few pieces by her already, but I mean, this is just a foundation on another level, and it just makes your skin look snatched. I got it in medium 15. Last thing I got from Sephora is travel size Ollie vitamins, and these ones help you sleep because they have melatonin in it. It's not a lot of melatonin, but I have the big box of this, and when I'm traveling it's just a big ball ache to bring this big ass box, so I thought that I would get the travel size. So my camera died again, so we're just filming this end bit on my phone. But yeah, anyways, it was the end of the haul anyways, because that was the last thing that I was going to show you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. I am going to be back really soon with another video, and I have to film my new autumn winter bits as well for you guys. Let me know what item in this haul was your favorite down below, and yeah, I will see you guys soon. Bye.